Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Xbox PC app not opening or launching. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what I suggest to do here is to go to search and open up Windows PowerShell, run as admin, and then you need to put few commands. So this is not admin, PowerShell, run as admin. You need to put few commands. So the first command will be here. All the commands will be in the video description below, so we can easily copy and paste. First command, and then it will be the second command here. Once you put the commands, you will get a pop-up here that says Gaming Services installed. So go ahead and install it. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just need to try if it's working for you or not. If this did not work, then what is just to do here is to go to your disk C. Then you need to go to program files. Then you need to press on the three dots. You need to look for not three dots, view, show, and show hidden items. And then scroll down until you see Windows Apps folder. If you cannot access this folder here, it says don't have permission. I will leave the video description below showing you step by step how you can enable this option here. And believe me guys, super easy. It will take you 1 minute. Then you need to go and look for Microsoft Gaming Services, right? So you need to look for, just scroll down until you see Microsoft Gaming. So let's say write it Microsoft, or probably I'll find it. It will be easier to see. So as you can see here, Microsoft Gaming app, and then you just need to look for basically there is maybe 6 folders, so you just need to look with the folder with a lot of items, right? And then scroll down until you see, as you can see here, should be a gaming services, gaming apps, and a bunch of different apps, but you need to just scroll down until you see a Xbox PC app, and then you can open the game through here, the app through here. Another option, if this did not work, then you just need to go to Xbox app, right click on it, app settings, then wait for a couple of seconds, scroll down until you see reset, press repair, and then after you press repair, press reset, restart your computer, and it should work for you. So I will leave all the videos in the video description below, the codes that you need to put, and the thing that if you don't have the rights. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.